Plaintiff Talia Loveless has a child with the defendant's ex-boyfriend. And ever since her baby was born, the defendant has done nothing but harass and threaten her. Talia claims the day she brought her baby home from the hospital, the defendant came to her house, attacked her boyfriend, and then repeatedly rammed her car into his car, which then hit Talia's vehicle, so she's suing for the damages. Defendant Vanessa Bell says she had no idea her ex-boyfriend was having an affair with Talia. And when she found out Talia was pregnant, her ex told her it was because she'd been raped. Vanessa admits when she discovered her ex fathered Talia's baby, she got angry and damaged the cars. And she's countersuing for harassment and emotional distress.
Start with you.
Your Honor, I cannot believe how my life has turned upside down. All of this is over a man. I mean, I kid you not.
Where is he?
He's not here. He's at home with my child. I don't have child care.
You have a babysitter?
Well, I just started a new job.
Okay, so what happens then?
What happens then?
When you go to your new job, who keeps the
I just
child?
started yesterday,
I know.
but...
Who went then?
Who kept her?
Yes.
His sister.
Okay, why couldn't the sister keep her today?
I'm not sure.
Right, doesn't sound like he wanted to come to court.
Well, he works
Sound
also.
like he wanted to make a fool out of y'all. Go right ahead, tell me about it.
Well, our kids share the same father. I met him early 2007. We worked together. August last year, my daughter was conceived, and I had her on Mother's Day, this Mother's Day, May 10th. Ever since then, it's been a disaster. The day I had her, she called me in the hospital, threatening to come up to the hospital, and I guess she was gonna mess me up or whatever she was saying. I figured it was squashed after that.
Do you know why she has a dislike for you? Is it because you all share
the same...
Let me finish my question.
Okay.
It's because you all share the same man and the same father of your children?
Correct.
Okay, let me hear from her. Give me some background on this, ma'am.
Okay, Judge Mathis, a little bit of background to the situation. Yes, I do know her. She worked with my ex. She met him, actually, they started working together when she became an extern at the end of 2007 after my third child was born.
Are you all dating?
Oh, yes. We've been together for 6 years, and she was very well aware of that.
Okay.
We share 4 children together now.
Mm-hmm.
We conceived my 4th child in the end of July. He was excited about it. He let everybody know about it. She knew as well. In August, I guess they conceived.
Yeah, a lot of conceiving.
Right. Very much so.
Does he work?
Oh, yes, he works. That's actually where they met
You
at.
see, he's all caught up on his child support. I'm sorry?
We need to go through with that. We're going through with that.
So the answer is no?
No.
Okay.
No, he paid for his children.
So he won't come to court to represent himself. He won't pay his child support. He keeps having babies. And you all are here to fight about him. Good enough. Continue.
All right, Judge Mathis. Again, with my dislike with her, when she became pregnant, I was led to believe that she actually got pregnant due to a rape of her ex-boyfriend.
Who led you to believe that?
Joel, and she never denied it. She never. That's the man.
That's the guy that's missing.
That's the father of our children.
He told you that.
He told me this.
He misled you.
Yes.
Why did you become upset with her?
I didn't become upset. Actually, I called her. And I felt so sorry for her because that's a horrible thing.
You knew her?
Yes, we've met.
You all were friends?
No.
Then why would you call to console somebody who you're not a friend of?
That's funny. He actually called me.
Not funny.
It's not. It really isn't. None of this is funny.
And what's going on with these children and no child support?
Oh, yes.
You all fighting over a man who doesn't care enough to come and represent himself to clarify the situation. There's nothing funny about that at all.
Right. Very much so. The thing.
So you called to console her, and then what?
She told me, well, she said that she didn't have nobody. She was like, I was told that she would, Joel, the father of our children, had told me that she was very stressed out. That
what did she tell you when you called to console her?
Thank you for concerning yourself with it.
And at that time, you didn't know that your boyfriend, the father of your children, was seeing her.
She knew.
No, I say, did you know?
No, I had no idea.
Okay, and so when you called her, she didn't reveal that to you either. She just said, oh, thank you.
Yes, sir. Joel, after that, I say about November, He said that she has nothing, she has no friends, no family, da da da. Okay, I
You all
call her.
spent a lot of time talking about her before you even knew they were dating.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir.
So you
Because
spent a lot of time talking about all his friends at work?
actually, we do talk a lot about what goes on
Y'all
in the
talk
work.
a whole lot then about something other than yourselves. Let me get back to you.
Your Honor, we did not speak.
She didn't call you
No,
at
sir,
any
she
point
didn't call
and
me.
say, I heard you were sexually assaulted?
No, sir.
This is the first time you're hearing of that.
That's the first time I'm hearing of that.
Okay.
Man, sir,
So
that
go
is a
ahead,
lie.
ma'am, be quiet. Go ahead.
Okay, the day of the incident, it's my first day home from the hospital with my newborn child. I come down the steps and I see blood dripping on my daughter. He's putting my daughter in her crib saying, call the police, call the police. I hear what I think is it sounds like an explosion. She is ramming into his car, which is in her name, is repeatedly ramming into his car. I went outside.
Baby was in the car?
No,
Well,
it
how
was
did
about
the
4 in the
baby
morning.
become bloodied?
Because she attacked him. Joel was holding my daughter, and when she knocked on the door, I guess she scratched his face up. It looked like to be scratches. And
So
blood
the blood came from
yes, sir.
the father.
Dripping on her.
Gotcha.
Yes, sir. So once it's all about my child. I go outside. All of my neighbors are outside, and she's repeatedly ramming into the car. About the 5th
You
time
saw
in his
her?
car, yes, sir. She smiled. She smiled down at me. Once his car rammed into my car, she continued to ram into the car. She backs up so many times and rams into his car. His car hits my car, and my car was about 1 inch from my neighbor's car. The cars come like almost down the hill into what it looked like it was gonna go into my neighbor's house if she would have hit it any more time.
Ma'am?
Yes, sir. I was extremely upset. Extremely upset.
About what?
He hurt me. Joel, he's sitting there telling me that, he's gonna come back with me, he's gonna do right by me, it was a mistake. She's telling me it was a mistake, it was a one-time thing, all this kind of stuff. Okay, well, I need to find out if this was truly a mistake or you're lying to me. This is 4 children, myself, that is involved in this. I'm not about to let you come back into my household and have all this drama. It was a poor judgment. I went up to the house, her car was there.
So why don't you think you should pay?
I honestly believe she's suing the wrong person.
I'm sorry?
That's the truth. She is suing the wrong person. Joel
He
said,
rammed the car.
No. Honestly, that was a poor judgment on my behalf. Yes,
Well,
I
how
did
does-
ram his car.
How is she suing the wrong person if
He
you're
said
the
he
one
was-
that rammed the car?
He said he was going to take care of the damage. He told both me,
Okay.
her.
She has nothing to do with what he told you.
Correct. He told
Right,
her that he was
correct.
going to take care of her car damages.
No, but what he says to her has nothing to do with what you did.
Correct.
That has to do with you and him. You rammed her car.
No, I
which
rammed
made-
his car.
And it rammed into hers. You
Right.
started a process which damaged her car. Now, you being responsible to her has nothing to do with his promise to her. You will always owe her. Now, if he steps in and voluntarily pays, fine. But until he does that, you owe her. And you have to go after him. But I see, obviously, you all have a problem in going after him. Can't even get him in court.
Oh, no, I'm going after him. I'm going after him.
Let me ask, do you think she's responsible for your child support too?
Hey, I mean,
You wanna
if she's
sue her for
working,
that?
she can help
Man,
out.
she
I got
wants
4.
to sue you for the 4 children that he
Hey.
won't take care of
Hey.
too. Have you paid their rent? I believe that's next.
He
Let
told
me
me.
have your estimate.
I have my estimate and I also have pictures of my damage on my car. And also, he told me that he was gonna fix the window, put plexiglass in it, but I don't care about him fixing the window.
Correct.
I care about my car getting fixed. She done it. I
Correct.
feel like she should have to pay for it. If I done it to her, I would have been in jail or something. You know what I mean?
Why didn't you call the police?
We did call the police and
And
they
what
took
happened?
pictures of his face. She went to jail for assault.
What
She went to
about
jail for
what
a
she
day.
did to you?
And also, exactly, everybody.
What was she
about
charged
4 of my
for that?
neighbors. Nothing.
Why?
About 4 of my neighbors, I'm not sure. 4 of my neighbors
Well,
wrote
you need to
statements
go
and gave to
become
the.
sure of why they didn't charge her with malicious destruction of property. That's a lot of property damage. And if you really want to go after her, you would throw the book at her.
I am.
Yeah, he probably dropped the case. What happened with the case that he was supposedly
dropped it.
He dropped it. Right.
That's none of my concern. I'm worried about my car.
It is. You right there, and your baby is dripping in blood, and you talk about it's none of your business that she got away with it. I would be subject to believe that you haven't charged her because he has asked you not to, playing you both like a fool. Now, you want how much for your car? That's just $3,500?
Yes,
and the
sir.
rest you want in emotional distress?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go and get that from him.
That's fine.
Go ahead, ma'am. Your counterclaim is for what? Harassment and emotional distress. How does she owe you $5,000?
So it all started when I started getting phone calls from the plaintiff just saying, it was just dumb stuff. I didn't really take it too serious, just like she was gonna kick my, and just saying stuff like that, and he's my man now, get over it. Just dumb stuff. So I didn't take it serious until I got a phone call with her saying, you better hope you don't have your kids. I'm coming after you, and I'm not promising the safety of your children. I'm done.
Okay.
You don't threaten my children.
When did
That
the
was it.
police arrest her?
I called the cops, asked what happened. They said, you need to file a restraining order. How do I do this? They told me I need to find out where she lives.
And that's correct, but
You knew where she lived. You rammed her car.
I'm sorry, you're right.
Give me the restraining order. Give me the restraining order.
She moved.
Okay.
And
And you were granted the restraining order?
Until I got a temporary restraining
Right.
order.
And then when the hearing came, what happened?
It's postponed.
Because I don't know whether this is a legitimate claim of harassment and the restraining order. People go and get restraining orders all the time to retaliate against someone. They'll have an argument, and then they'll call and say, I'm going to get a restraining order, and go and ask for an emergency restraining order, which are routinely granted until the hearing comes. At the hearing, they discuss what happened, and then the judge determines whether that restraining order was legitimate and whether it will continue or be dismissed. And let me ask you this. Did you ask the father of these children she was threatening to intervene?
Yes.
After all, she was threatening his children too, right?
Yes.
Did he get a restraining order?
No,
Did
said
he
was
do
gonna correct it.
anything?
He just said he was going to correct
Well,
that.
go talk
you
to
know
him and
what?
see what he can do. All right? All right. In the meantime, I'm dismissing your claim for emotional distress and harassment. You're the one that has caused the emotional distress and harassment. However, ma'am, I'm not granting you any emotional distress. This woman has done all these things to you, and you let your boyfriend talk you out of going after her. I'll grant you $3,500 for the car damages. After you've gone to file a police report about all of this and prosecuted her to the fullest extent of the law, then I'll know you were distressed for real. Judgment for the plaintiff.
I'm going to pursue the charges, as Judge Mathis said, to the full extent, because I feel like that she doesn't own up to anything that she does, and she wants everybody else to pay for her mistakes.
Really, she just needs to stay away from me and my children, and I'll be fine. That's all I really need. She needs to stop the harassment.